it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to our 31 days of Halloween. For today's DIY, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these little food picks. It's so easy that I feel kind of silly even making a DIY out of it, but I really like it and I really want to share with you guys, so here we go. This is so easy that it probably doesn't even need to be a DIY, but I'm doing it anyway. And all you have to do is take whatever little critter you have and add a little dot of hot glue and glue it on to your toothpick. Now I think that this would be really cute with a spider on each side, just probably look a little bit more finished. So I add another dot of hot glue and we're just going to place this one right on top, doing our best to line it up with the other one. And there you have it. It's super easy. Wait, where am I doing? It's so confusing to film this way. I'm sorry. But there it is. It's super cute. I love it. I think it's adorable. And if you're worried about the little strings of hot glue, all you have to do is take a blow dryer to it, and literally just for a second, it's like magic. The little strings of hot glue disintegrate and disappear. You never have to see them again. You can also use these treat sticks. I'm just going to eyeball where the half point is. I think it's like right there. Added just a little bit of a nick right there so it's easy to just break apart. Just like that. These treat sticks are actually, they're not wooden or anything. They're like really tightly woven paper. Or not tightly woven, tightly wound paper. And so on the raw edges that you just ripped apart, you just do the exact same thing. It's super easy. It's super cute and super easy, and also cheaper than buying fancy food picks from the store. And it's just a fun little way to add a little bit more excitement to your Halloween snacks. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this DIY and being part of my 31 days of Halloween. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Don't forget to hit that little like button down below, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you can stay up to date with all of the videos. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.